we have a Surds question, and this is taken from an Edexcel textbook. We're asked to solve the equation 8 plus x times root 12 equals 8x over root 3. Give your answer in the form a root b, where a and b are integers. Now, I'm looking at this equation. I can see an x term on the left and an x term on the right. But first of all, I want to deal with the surds that are in this equation. So first of all, let's look at root 12. Root 12 can be simplified because 12 has a square factor. That square factor is 4. So I can write 12 as 4 times 3. And I can separate surds, so I can do the multiplication outside. As long as it's multiplying or dividing, I can split the surd. Otherwise, you can't do it. So addition and subtraction can't be split in this way. So this allows me to write root 4 as 2 times root 3, or just simply 2 root 3. So that's that root 12 there. So secondly, I'm looking at the fraction that's on the right hand side. So 8x over root 3. It's a fraction with an irrational denominator. So the number on the bottom is irrational. So I'm going to rationalise the denominator by multiplying the top and bottom by root 3. So the top just becomes 8 root 3 times x. And the bottom, root 3 times root 3, is 3. So I can write this as 8/3 of root 3 times x. And then I can put these two terms into the equation. So the equation becomes 8 plus 2 root 3x instead of root 12 being multiplied by x. And that equals 8/3 root 3x. So I still have two x terms, one on either side of the equation, but I have dealt with the surds in the equation so far. Now, I don't like the division by 3, so I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 3, but there are multiple ways to tackle this question. I'm just dealing with this fraction first. So 24 plus 6 root 3x's equals 8 root 3x's. So now I'm going to get all my x terms on one side by subtracting 6 root 3x from both sides. So 24 equals 2 root 3x. Okay, so these are just numbers. So if I want to isolate x, I can divide both sides by 2 root 3. And I see there that 24 and 2 root 3 have a common factor of 2. So first of all, I simplify this fraction by dividing top and bottom by 2. And now I have an irrational denominator again, which I rationalise by multiplying top and bottom by root 3, leaving 12 root 3 on the top and a 3 on the bottom. And again, this can be simplified, common factor of 3 on the top and bottom. So this becomes 4 root 3. And that completes the question. That answer is in the form a root b, where a and b are integers, a being 4 and b being 3. So check out studywell.com for more.